What's up guys, my name is Mubarak from Unbox Centric, and today I'm going to be teaching you 5 smartphone hacks in under 3 minutes. Okay, this is going to be one interesting video. Although many phones comes with fast chargers out of the box, many of us still struggle with our current devices not charging fast enough. Most of us know switching our phones off will give the phone a faster charge. However, you can keep your phone on with this hack and still get twice the speed. Just simply turn on airplane mode while charging. That cuts off all network access to your device, essentially boosting your charging speed. I'm sure many of us has been in this situation, regretting the deletion of a file you need so bad at the moment but don't have it. With an app called Dumpster, you can basically have a recycle bin inside your smartphone, just like the one on the computer. Dumpster is an app that safeguards the process of file deletion in case of a mistake or hurry. Anything you delete goes to Dumpster first, then whenever you feel like deleting it forever or restoring it, you can go and do that. Another thing you can do with Dumpster is use it as a sort of hiding app. You can hide stuff in it by deleting it and leaving it in Dumpster for a while, then whenever you need it, you can go back there and restore it. Want a night light but don't want to spend substantial cash on a dim light? You can use a clear water bottle filled with water in front of the flashlight that diffuses the light and gives it this soft illumination. Well, we all hate when this happens. You can avoid this by putting a little coily spring around the part of the cable that constantly twists, like the area around the connector. Want to get nice zoomed in crispy shots but your phone has a limited zoom of 2x? Add a drop of water on the camera lens and now your phone can zoom up to 5 times without losing quality. And I just thought of something. I want to add a bonus hack for you guys. Ever need a phone stand? Well, you don't have to buy one. You can just use your sunglasses for a phone stand instead. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this content helped you in some way. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this content. Leave a comment down below of what you think about this video or anything at all. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.